Today I will ask you one question. Quiz day, quiz day.
Yesterday when I was returning home, Arditi was kissing Anup. You won't believe it. Anup was touching all over her. And my dick got hard, so I went home immediately.
Hey, last bench. Keep quiet, you chapati eating alu bindi farting motherfuckers. So, the question is our country hot or cold? Sir, Raju, you say. It's very hot. Hot. Yeah. Our country is hot. And as we Indians, our armpits tends to smell bad. Not because we are smelly, but because of the hot climate. The question that I am about to ask, the main question is, like, what should you do to get rid of the armpit smell? Look at the slide.
Option A. Wash your armpits. Option B. Apply deodorants.
It's option A. We are Indians. We do not wash our armpits. Should always be option B.